The colors and fonts that we use in our presentation can accomplish a number of things. They can set the tone of our presentation as serious, exciting, classic, or modern. They can establish our brand and help reinforce our marketing efforts for recognition. They can also show consistency in our message throughout the presentation. In fact, dramatically switching colors and fonts can help the audience understand that we've moved on to something completely different. To start, let's move to a slide that can benefit from some color. Our sales department has created this table on slide 14, showing the sales figures for the quarter. We can give it some default color through the Table Design tab in the ribbon. Take note of our color choices. They're derived from the default color palette, which we can modify from the Design tab. Note that as I review other color palettes, the table changes. This would also affect any charts, diagrams, shapes, bullets, and sometimes the backgrounds of my slides. You can see that the graphics that I imported in my previous video don't change. This is because they were imported graphics, not objects created from within PowerPoint. I want our presentation colors to match the ones that our company always uses in its marketing. My marketing department has told me the exact color values, so all I have to do is match them up. Using the Style sheet, let's create a new palette for Match Signal. From the Design tab, I'll pull down the Colors menu one more time, and then click on Create New Theme Colors. Here are 12 different placeholders for colors that we can use throughout our presentation. 4 for text and background, 6 for accents, and then 2 more for hyperlinks. I'm going to pull down each menu, choose More Colors, and then using the Custom tab, add the R, G, and B, that's red, green, and blue values for each color according to the style sheet given to me by my marketing department. By plugging in 0, 56, and 116, I get the dark blue that our company uses. Now I'll give my palette a name, like Match Signal, and hit Save. My new custom Match Signal palette is now in the list, and everything matches my imported graphics. If I return back to my original table, you can see that the colors are much more in line with what I want. If I pull down any palette from within PowerPoint, you can see that the color palette that I have to choose from is now the same palette that my marketing department uses on all of its materials. Likewise, we want to use the same font that's on our website and brochures. I'm told that we use Arial Bold for headings and Arial for regular text, so let's try that out. Again, I'll return to the Design tab and pull down the Fonts menu. We're currently using the Office default of Calibri, but let's change it to the Office Classic choice of Arial and Arial. My entire presentation is now using the Arial font rather than Calibri. The exception to this are those slides that have been changed by the user directly. But with my colors and fonts set, my presentation now matches the look and feel of my company. Things look consistent, but in our next video we'll take a closer look and fix a few remaining problems.